I have applied almost 300 jobs. Then finally I got a restaurant job
Wow.
after visiting 1 month.
How much is your tuition cost because you are a transfer student?
Expensive. You have 30 hours, 30 working hours every week.
Right.
You have to work, and it's 24,000 pay for a year.
For a year. So welcome guys, welcome to Study Abroad with Piyush. We are here in the city of Leeds and we have Mahi with us who has studied at Leeds Beckett University.
Yes.
We're going to be talking to her and understanding why she came here, was her experience and what has she been up. So thanks Mahi for giving us the time. And it is important because all our students who are looking to come to the UK, we want them to know the reality before they make their decisions. So that they make it in a more informed way. We're not saying don't come, we are saying learn the harsh realities.
Correct.
And learn about the opportunities so that you are better prepared. So thank you for time and so be as candid, as brutal as possible.
Okay.
And so tell us where you are from in India, Mahi.
I'm
And
from Ahmedabad.
from Ahmedabad. Oh, nice.
I have come here in the flagship. Like first year I've done in the behalf of Leeds Beckett University.
All right.
And then I have came here for my second year. I'm doing bachelor's.
You are doing your bachelor's here.
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's international business, BA in international business.
And then your third year will be back in India?
No,
The
the third
year
year
will
is
also going to be
here.
here. Okay, nice. So you started in India,
Yeah.
and then you took a transfer in second year here
Yeah.
to Leeds
Yeah.
Beckett.
Correct.
Oh, nice. So that's why Leeds Beckett was a choice already kind of made back in India for you.
Yeah, even the Leeds Beckett University's faculty has come in India, Ahmedabad, the university where I studied.
Which is that university?
It's GLS.
PLS.
Yes.
Okay. And how has been your experience so far with Leeds Beckett?
It's been great. In GLS, they give a lot of opportunities and organize a lot of events to make people, student educate about different things. Like it's not about you are from business, you can't study the bio.
Right,
In
right.
the events, you can go and you can understand about different things. You
Right.
know? And the events are free of cost.
Right.
So yeah, it's a lot of fun.
So a lot of fun, lot of different new ideas,
Yeah.
lot of opportunities
Yeah.
being provided here.
Yeah.
And how much is your tuition cost because you are a transfer student?
Expensive.
Yeah, it's expensive.
Even in India, it's expensive. Like in Indian course, the first year course is 3,87,500 for the first year.
Yeah.
And then the second year, it's 16,500, but I got scholarship of 1,000.
Wow.
So it's 15,500.
500 for you. 15,500 pounds, and the next year the fee might be
Same,
different.
same,
Or it will be the same.
15,000
Okay, so that's good that it's logged because
Yeah.
the fee keeps going up.
Yeah, it keeps going on.
And so now you are here, and when did you come here?
I came in September 2025.
September 2025. So it's been a few months now. Now
8
you're
months,
almost
quite,
yeah.
yeah.
So now you are a pro for Leeds. You know,
Yeah, it is a beautiful city.
Yeah, it's a beautiful city. Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. And how's your experience finding part time? I know you are already working.
Terrible, like terrible. Like I came in September. September I have enjoyed, not like started finding
Right.
out the job, but from the October I started the job hunting. I don't know how to make CV. I don't know all the stuff, but in the Leeds Beckett University, the Careers Beckett,
Yeah.
they teach us how to make a CV, how to apply for jobs. They have given a big list of
Yeah.
vacancies. I have applied almost 300 jobs. And receive
Yeah.
only 2 or 3, the response. And later I went for so many interviews. When you got rejected, it's heartbreaking,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So yeah, I got a lot of heartbreaks. Then I have started going manually, right, to go physically and apply for the job. So I started at the restaurants trying to apply jobs. Then finally I got a restaurant job.
Wow.
After visiting 1 month, like
Yeah.
they always say, next Tuesday, could you come next Wednesday to meet the owner?
Right,
Like,
right.
then finally I got that job. Then I got another job at a store
Okay.
from there's a friend. No, I don't know him before,
Yeah.
but he has like offered. Do you know Hindu community group?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, so there's a person who has showed a vacancy advertisement, right? So I have texted him that can we meet for this job particular. So he took my interview. He took a lot of girls interview and boys interview on that day, and then 2 people are selected for the job. And then we went
Right.
for the training, 2
Okay.
girls, and finally what happened I don't know. Like they have precisely decided they have to select only one person,
Right.
but they have selected both of us. And then I got
Yeah,
the
the
job.
job.
Then I left my restaurant job
Job.
because it's good pay there.
Yeah,
at
good
the
pay over
store.
there.
Yeah.
So now, first you were not getting any job.
Not at
Then you were
all.
applying everywhere,
Yeah.
and then you started going door to door.
Yeah.
And then that's how you got your first
For
break.
the last 6 months, I didn't get any job.
Yeah.
Then I get the job in Feb or March. The restaurant job I get in Feb.
Feb.
And the March I get the store
So
a
sorry.
good job.
Right. So
A
finally, it
secure
took
job.
6 months.
Yes.
A lot of struggle. Took a lot of time, guys. So it's not like you will come and somebody is waiting for
Got
you to
job.
with a job
Not
for
at
you.
all.
Not at all. So it's going to take time. So be prepared, especially master student, because your program is just 1 year. At least
Yeah.
you have 2 years here.
Yes.
And so what's your plan? What are you planning to do after you complete your bachelor's?
I will gonna apply the placement. Even I have the option to apply the placement in it called a sandwich year.
Right.
Like after second year, I got the placement. So I have applied for the placement. I got the placement, but I don't want that.
Okay.
Because I want the UK visa, UK passport. So it will gonna increase my 1 year extra. So it's better to not take the placement at the moment. When I apply for the PSW 2-year work visa.
Right.
So it's better to take the placement at that time.
Placement at that time.
Yeah,
Okay.
but I have applied for the knowledge and experience of the placement, and I have given the interview. I have selected for that.
Wow.
I was like, okay, but I don't want at the moment.
Oh, so we have a student, young girl, Mahi from Ahmedabad saying, no, I don't want a job now. I will come and take it when I need it. So
Yeah.
what company was that and what kind of placement was this?
It was Leeds Beckett University.
Right.
In the university, it was sustainable and development, something about that, and it was a marketing job.
Okay.
You have to go work there, and it's like you have 30 hours, 30 working hours every week.
Right.
You have to work, and it's 24,000 pay for a year.
For a year.
Yeah.
Wow. So the university is giving you the placement directly yourself. So you are saying that I'm going to take it during my PSW so that I get,
Yeah.
I get to use that time
Yeah.
fruitfully and then build up from that.
Yeah, and I'm not going to plan to give a placement on the sustainable. I
Right.
want a placement on a real estate. So I'll gonna move into the London
Right.
for the real estate
For
because
the-
it's better. The real estate business is better from Leeds. It's better in London.
So guys, I
right?
think one thing I'm really getting a strong sense is Mai is absolutely clear in what she wants to do. And I think that is one of the biggest strengths that you can have as a student.
Thank
Because
you.
if you are clear, then you will get it. So you are not going everywhere. I want to get into real estate. I know I have to go to London for that. And I know
Yeah.
exactly. So not wasting my time in just anything and everything that comes my way.
Yeah.
Being focused, being clear is, I think, really, really important. So Mahi, also tell us about a little bit about Leeds, cost of living, cooking, food. How's the life here?
I have booked already from the in India Concept Place.
Yes.
It's huge
Yeah.
expensive, huge expensive. It's a student accommodation. I'm paying there 600 per month rate.
Yeah.
So there's a contract that you can't break.
yeah.
If you wanted to leave, you have to still pay.
Yes.
After coming to Leeds, I have figured out there are so many other places which is way more
Not cheaper, yeah.
But I can't break the contract.
yeah.
Either I have to figure out a person who wanted to
can-
leave
yes.
there, who will gonna pay them, or otherwise I have to pay them.
Right.
So yeah, I'm stuck in that. It will going to end in July.
Okay.
So I have looked a home here in city center. There's a flat where it's 900 rent. We are 3 friends, so it's
So you can become
300.
half. From 600
Yeah,
we go to
it's
300.
300.
Yes.
So,
So the smart thing to do is come here and book your find your
Fine.
accommodation.
Yeah, don't book from
Very
India.
long
Not at all.
contracts because then you might get stuck at a higher cost. And
Absolutely.
how much do you pay for groceries? How much does it cost?
When I came to here, in the beginning I do very very less expense because I have brought a lot of Indian groceries from
Yeah.
India. So I have already
मम्मी ने सब पैक करके भेजा है.
सब कुछ 10 pounds for the week.
Yeah.
But now I'm earning, spending a lot because
Yeah.
I'm ordering food from the outside, and even the grocery, it's like 30-40 pounds, minimum 20 pounds
Pound and-
per week. Like if you wanted to expand, then
So anywhere
it
between
goes
100 to 150 pounds is
Per
is
week,
per
yeah,
week.
yeah,
You
yeah,
can
150,
pounds.
yes.
Is something that you can say that's what's gonna cost.
Yeah.
So overall, cost of life here can be pretty cheap, less than 500
Yeah,
pounds.
if you're, then
Yeah,
it's good.
then it's
If you're not earning, then save.
then save money and
Figure
when you
out
are
a
earning,
job.
then also save money
Yeah.
so that when you are not earning,
Yeah,
you don't
absolutely.
have.
But when you're
But that's the
earning, at
Gujarati
least-
style, of course, So
Yeah.
we don't need to tell you anything about
yeah.
it.
But when you're earning, you have to mix a bit expense, so you will get more motivated,
Yes.
to hard work and work.
right.
more. Because if you don't wish to make expenses,
Well,
you can't be focused.
Because
anymore.
somebody very influential in the startup ecosystem told me one thing: Piyush, increase your expenses, you will have the drive to earn more.
Yeah, absolutely. If you don't increase your expense, you will just be the poor person.
Poor person,
You
yeah.
have to make your expenses like you're the richest person in the
It's
universe.
crazy, you know, but like, yeah, it is.
Then you will gonna be richest person
in
one
the-
day,
Yeah.
right?
So you need to have the aspiration and sometimes the
Yeah.
need earn a lot more.
Yeah.
So that's great. And you know, you've figured out ways to reduce your cost.
Yes.
Now you're earning.
Yes.
Now the life is a lot more stable and you have still
Yes.
have one more year to study.
Correct.
Do you miss home? Have you made good friends?
I have made a lot of good friends.
Yeah.
So it's like home here.
Yeah.
And even the workplace, they are like family.
Okay.
Because there are some Britishers and some Indians, but still it's like a family.
Right.
The Britishers are more family than the Indian ones, I can say that, because they're a bit older in
Right.
age. So yeah. And I don't miss that much India. I don't want to go to India right now.
Right.
I will go in the October month because I'm from Gujarat and Navratri.
Oh,
so
absolutely, yeah.
For that 1 month.
Right.
And my whole family is planning to come in June 2025. Oh, sorry, 25 June.
Yeah.
This
month.
2026.
Okay. So your family will be here, so you get to meet
I'm
them.
going to like explore UK
Yeah.
for first time. So because no time, you know, when you come here, you have to struggle on finding out your university. In India, the exams, you know, a proper exam will
Dates is
organize
there.
all this.
There's a date sheet. Yes.
You have to come and you have to write the exams, all this stuff. Here, I don't know what is the examination system. I came, I was like, okay, they told us to make an assessment. I was like, okay, we do assessments in India also.
Yeah.
So when the assessment done, and I was waiting when the exam will gonna come. They are like,
That
this
was
is
it.
the exam. That was it. I was like,
Yeah.
damn, we are struggling a lot in India.
India.
And it's a bit easy. And
Bit easy.
you know, India, like Britishers has influenced our education system, and they are following the right one and we are following the wrong one. I was
So they have
okay.
changed their ways. We have not.
yeah, we
Something
have
to learn from
Yeah.
all the Indian universities if you are watching.
Like for the like my assessments is like you came to the lecture, just give the summary of the lecture. What happened in the lecture? It was like quick revision,
Yeah,
correct?
yeah.
On the week, you went to the lecture and just go and write about the lecture, what has happened, what has been taught,
Right.
and what did you learn, and what's your opinion on that particular subject. It's like way more good
Good
than,
than-
you know than the books we studied and written. Exam, what is the question? I was like,
Yeah. So did you come alone or did you come with more friends?
I have come with my friend. We are 6 people in India. We have all 6 came
came.
here in the flagship. All have chosen different university.
Ah,
me
okay.
and only one of my friend has chosen this one, because if you choose another university, you have to repeat your again first year.
Ah, okay.
So I was like, no chance to
No,
repeat.
yeah.
So better to come directly in this university. And
Absolutely.
it is a good university.
It's
at
a good
the end, Leeds
university.
Beckett University.
Right,
yeah.
so positive feedback to you guys, Leeds Beckett guys. Positive feedback for course transfer as well. And you don't waste your first year if you are moving into the second year.
Yeah.
So a lot of benefits. You can move your cost of living cheaper by moving to self-managed accommodations instead of student accommodations. Cook yourself and then you can, reduce your cost of living. But try to spend so that you have the need to earn more
Correct.
and you have the drive. Thank you so much, Mahi, for your
Alright.
time. It was lovely talking to you. It was
worries.
fantastic.
You too.
So much positive energy from you.
Thank you.
We've been talking to everybody since that whole day. We are tired, but you have filled us up back with so much energy.
Thank you so
And it was
much.
amazing. Lovely. And we wish you best of luck for the future,
Thank you
for
so
year
much.
3 and all the life you have ahead
Thank
of
you
you.
so much.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you guys. And if you want to keep hearing more from students like Mahi and their candid feedback about studying here in the UK, subscribe kar lo yaar. Do subscribe to our channel. And if you still have any questions, leave them in the comments. And that is it from us. And we're going to see you all in the next video.
So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and I will see you all in the next video.